The Territorial Army is an organization which has been in existence since pre-independence. No country in its march towards progress and development can afford to maintain a large standing army. Herein lies the importance of the Territorial Army. In 1920, the Auxiliary Force Act was passed.
Soon after independence, it was felt that a country like India, with limited resources and extended frontiers, a reserve force with reasonable defense potential was essential. The Territorial Army was therefore instituted under an Act of Parliament passed in 1948.
In 1949, all pre-independence territorial forces were reorganized and renamed as Territorial Army of India.
The Territorial Army is a part-time citizens' voluntary force composed of personnel of all walks of life.
On 9th October 1949, His Excellency Shri C. Rajagopalachari, the first Governor General of India, inaugurated the first annual training camp of Territorial Army. Since then, the TA celebrates its raising day on 9th October every year. A large number of Territorial Army units were embodied and employed during the 1962, 1965 and 1971 war. The Territorial Army continued to perform as a committed force in support of regular army in various operations after 1971 war, including Op Pavan overseas. कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं. The Territorial Army has played major supporting role to the regular army in counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations in Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. Today, 80% of the Territorial Army units are embodied. A new concept of Sons of Soil was visualized and subsequently 10 Home and Hearth battalions were raised in Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast, which were instrumental in eliminating insurgents and terrorists. For outstanding performance in counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations in Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast, the Territorial Army battalions were conferred with numerous awards. Having seen Territorial Army in various operations, let us now have a glimpse of Territorial Army in aid to civil authorities.
The Railway Engineer TA has a vital role to play during railway employees' strike and war. The oil sector TA units are responsible for ensuring uninterrupted oil rigging to distribution operations whenever employees of oil sector agencies go on strike or during a national emergency like war. Seven general hospitals TA were raised during 1968 to 1970.
Former Prime Minister late Mrs. Indira Gandhi directed raising of territorial army units for the purpose of preventing ecological degradation on war footing. Hence, the first ecological territorial army battalion was raised in Mussoorie. Today, we have 8 ecological territorial army battalions restoring environmental health all across the country. In their mission to green India, these ecological battalions have won many accolades.
Another important feature of the Territorial Army has been the commissioning of eminent personalities.
हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं, कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं, कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं, कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के